Dear sir, this is Tim Extender and I am Mahfuz Hussain and I am introducing our project. Our project proposal is fire and gas detection, monitoring and fire suppression system. So in our country, fire is a very burning problem and we want to solve this problem by using some sort of technology. And we have in our project we have divided in three segments. First of all, we will detect the and fire event and potential fire event. So then we will, after detecting it, we will take some steps to suppress the fire. So to suppress this fire, we have used uh, some technology like buzzer and a water sprinkler and gas sprinkler. So and we have used two sensor. One is flame sensor and another is AMQ2 gas sensor. So flame sensor will detect the flame and gas sensor will detect the presence of LPG, smoke, alcohol, propane, hydrogen, and this type of gases. And after detecting it, it will show in our lab view that either it's fire eventing occurring or not. So here is our Arduino. Here is our Proteus file. Here we can see the flame sensor and gas sensor. So if the gas sensor and flame sensor actually turns on, then the buzzer will turn on, and the red LED will turn on. And the next part is the next part will described by Javid.
Thank you, Mahfuz Hussain. Now we will describe the code here. Please display the code. Here in the first two line, we just implemented the libraries, and after from the int flame sensor and to int buzzer, we just inputted the sensors and. Here we just activated our pin. Please scroll down. Oh, this is our serial port and this is our servo motor. And now I would like to pass. Hello, Naim, would you please start?
Okay, so thank you, Javed. This is Naimul Islam. My ID is 1710138. So as we already know that our project is fire and gas detection monitoring and fire suppression system. So in lab view part, if we go to our block diagram, here we can see that serial port, and we have used two sensor, flame sensor and gas sensor. And here we have used one OR gate. By this OR gate, we will pass our value, and here we can see that if the value is going to by 180 degree, and then it will go to servo motor, and between servo motor and then from the servo motor it will go to fire detected buzzer and sprinkle. And here we have also used a NOT gate. If motor servo motor pass the value 1, then it will go to 0. That means it will not safe, it's safe. And in if we go to our whole set, then here we have used a while loop by a box, and in upper part we have used 500 as a clock, uh, 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 and t uh, clock and tf as a red signal. And in left side we have used name. If we go to on left side, we have used please pass it on left side. We yeah, use visa name, and we also used error handler and CLR controller and visa controller to make it more efficient. Now my friend Firoz will continue his part.
Uh, I will explain how I have we have integrated the three parts together, the Proteus part, the LabVIEW part, and the Arduino code. First, we have compiled the Arduino code, and while compiling the Arduino code, we have used the hex file, and we used the hex file and used it in the Proteus library, of Arduino, and that way this Arduino knows the uh, programming of the microcontroller. Then the Proteus and LabVIEW is connected through COM port. That COM port are virtually created by a software called Virtual Serial Port Driver. This software create two virtual port. Proteus is connected to COM port 1, and LabVIEW is connected to port 2. This way, the LabVIEW gets the data from receive and transfer data from the Proteus, and Proteus use the Arduino code through the hex file. So that's it about the project.
Please stop.